Hello friends, this is Roger from High-Tech Circuits in Shenzhen, China. Today, I'm very happy to show you this special copper-based PCB. Due to its great current carry, it is widely used in power supply equipment and high-frequency PCB design. This is one-layer board. The raw material is copper, as you can see. Its surface finish is ENIG. Copper thickness is 2 ounces. Finished thickness is 1.5 millimeters. We always provide good manufacturing service for our customers all over the world with good price, excellent quality, and fast lead time. If you have such PCB needs, please feel free to contact me. Goodbye.